Hi Gemini, welcome to your July 2020 reading. And remember that if you were visiting my channel for the first time, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you like receiving such videos. And this is a general reading, and so take from it what you can and allow other things to pass. Timing is fluid and the roles can be reversed. So please show me clearly. Moving on to your reading. What's coming up for the sign of Gemini in the month of July 2020? Okay, so I have an Eight of Swords. There's Ace of Cups. There's Page of Cups. There's a Seven of Pentacles, Gemini. There's Eight of Cups again. And there's the Ten of Swords. Just give me a moment. Gemini, I've been feeling, I have this very strong first impression from the cards that you have been feeling very stuck, and like an obstacle is there in your path holding your progress or your growth. But I want to tell you that this is mostly you. This is actually you holding yourself back. You could be nurturing or fostering a lot of these blocks in your own thought process that has become the cause of your worries right now. Money could also be a little concern. Maybe the money or opportunity is stuck, or maybe you feel that you may not be able to get the right opportunities financially, and for that's another reason that could be driving you out of your mind. However, I see that money is going to come to you just fine, so you don't have to worry about that in the month of July. If you and You could have worried yourself to the point of becoming sick actually, but you're looking all okay financially, Gemini. I also want to talk about that you have been getting a lot of spiritual guidance and help and support, and this could be coming from the higher side to you. So, if you have been lacking that confidence, or if you have been feeling a little down and out and not feeling that support on your back, understand that the your higher guides, these higher energies, are so with you. And I also want to tell you that you may have just come away from a situation which could have, which could have caused you some kind of, you know, um, you know, f- could have caused you feeling stagnated, or something that you might have wanted to change. So if it was a decision you took recently or towards the end of the month of June, or probably anywhere from the mid to the end of month of June, you could be feeling a lot of ease here. And I also feel that, and that was when we were in Mercury retrograde also, Gemini. So any decision taken around that time would have made you come back or go back to it and change it. So I also feel that a lot of some of your money that was stuck somewhere or had no scope of coming back to you may come back to you right now, or this could be an investment paying for you. I also feel you have some hidden friends, or there could be healers, or someone you have hurt, or someone you didn't respond to so well, that that still holds a lot of good feelings or blessings for you. And you need to do this prayer, this Ho'oponopono prayer, that I tell you. It goes like, I'm sorry, please forgive me, I love you, thank you. So there's someone of a holy or a high nature who's hurt and affected by your behavior, or maybe your words, keeps thinking about it, and you need to go back and apologize, because there is only good thoughts and good tidings coming to your sign from this source. And I also feel that a lot of abundance is meant for you in the month of July. You could be coming around to new friends, new people, new connections, new opportunities in the month of July. I also feel that there could be some new romantic connection, or you being attracted to someone, or someone stealing your heart in the month of July. I also feel that you may not get that if your feelings reciprocated at that exact same moment, but there may be some progress, or there may be some success in the coming times. So I also feel that you need to be a little careful about your work. You need to be extra cautious where and do your research well, because there could be a few complaints coming back at you. Gemini, I also feel that when you keep all these points in mind with a little bit of ups and downs coming to your sign in the month of July, I have the card of King of Pentacles that tells me that things are going to work out for you just fine towards the end. But these are all these stages where you need to be careful and keep working, because they are not going to get sorted on their own. You have to make that extra effort. You have to go out from your side and do your bit to see good results. I'm going to pull out some angel cards for you and see what the angels have to tell you. So my lovely, lovely angels, please guide me and tell me what is coming up for the sign of Gemini in the month of July. Please show me clearly. I have victory. Wow, okay. I want to pull out some more. I have comfort. So victory, Archangel Sandalphon says, can you see your card? Archangel Sandalphon says, your prayers have been heard and answered. Have faith. So if you guys have been struggling a lot with maybe relationship, work, career, or some kind of peace of mind, you will see that in the month of July, you will have success there. You have victory there. And next we have the card of the comfort. Archangel Azrael says, I'm with you in your time of need, helping your heart to heal. You may have been really worked up emotionally, or have, like I said at the very beginning of your reading, you are actually standing in your own path, Gemini. You need to step aside. You need to stop worrying about a lot of things that are constantly playing on your mind. You know, when we think about something for a long time, we actually manifest that. So if you've been worrying about something, or if you've only been focusing on the problems, you are manifesting more of that in your life, and your life may actually have chosen a different path for you, but you may refuse to see that. So try walking away from or becoming an obstacle in your own path. I want to pull out another card for you, Geminis. Breathe. Very strongly breathe. So Gemini, Archangel Raphael says, take several deep breaths and exhale slowly to awaken your energy and to release old patterns. So if you have been suffering in terms of relationship, or if this is a karmic financial pattern, or maybe health issue for some of you, I feel it's health. You have got to work with yourself, and unless you do, cribbing about it, worrying about it is not going to help you come out of it, or blaming other people, sources, situations, or other energies is not going to help you come out of it. See, you are giving your power away when you are actually involving or thinking an external source to be a reason for your miseries or your problems. Think where you can help yourself instead of why the problem is there in your life, or maybe you know that there is a problem. Stop focusing so much on the problem. Start thinking on how you can help yourself, and that's going to help you break this pattern, release old patterns. So that's a very, very strong message for you, Gemini. And please do comment and let me know how you feel about these energies. And please give this reading a thumbs up if you liked and this message resonates with you. Thank you, and bye bye until we meet again. Stay safe and stay healthy.